Shopify Typography tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the typography, colors, or the type of fonts of your text within your Shopify store. So we're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do is going to be pretty simple. Head over the online store, click on themes, and then we are going to edit the theme that we want to make the typography of it. Head over the left side of the screen, click on theme settings. Then we're going to find typography. So we're going to click on typography, select the body that we want to change. For example, like that. We can go and cancel that. You can go and select the subheading, heading, and accent. Also, with that, we can have some text presets like the paragraph size, line height, and also control the heading characteristics like the heading 1, fonts, sizes, line height, letter spacing cases, heading 2, 3, 4, and until 6. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.